You'd never guess that this delicious smoothie has some avocado in it. I'm adding in 1 frozen banana. I keep mine in halves so that I know what 1 frozen banana is. If you ever have some spotted bananas that are going bad, or you're gonna go travel, throw them in a Ziploc bag or a silicone bag and freeze them. Then I'm adding in 10 ounces of frozen mango chunks. This is 16 ounces, and I'm gonna eyeball what I think 10 ounces is. Now add in your avocado and make sure it's ripe. And lastly, I'm adding in some plant-based milk. There it is, looks so good.